Hello everybody, today I will be making a stuffed pepper. Now this can be either used with tuna, the can. I prefer with the oil, the olive oil. Also, you can use the chicken, you can use salmon, anything that you wish. Even luncheon meat. But the luncheon meat would be a little bit too salty for me. I will be using peppers. I don't know how much I will be needing, but I have 2 peppers for now, and I will see if 2 is enough because we're going to cut it in half. Okay, so that will be filmed again in mute so that way my editing is more easier. So I have here the luncheon meat, but I'm not going to use that today. You can use a can of tuna. I'm going to use tuna today, but you can use chicken if you wish, like I said, or any other one that is your favorite. So let's begin. I will list the ingredients in the bottom that I'll be using, okay? Now this recipe, you can use green onion stalks, but I don't have any. Oh well, I'm gonna have to do without the green onion. I love green onion, or maybe I can get it from my garden. I think I have a couple showing up on the ground. Okay, so I'm not sure. I think I forgot to turn on the camera while I was chopping. I chopped already the cucumber, and that's what's in here, and 3 pieces of mushroom as well. And also I put 3 teaspoons of mayo. I'm going to add sour cream as well. All right, so it's ready. And that's how simple it is to make the salad. And you fill it in the peppers. And then you just eat it and crunch it up. It's very, very tasty. Trust me. You put half mayo, half sour cream. It will be a bomb. I love it. I love this recipe. And plus the crunchiness when you start biting into it is just delicious. I hope you try it out. It's very easy, very simple, something that you don't need to be cooking on the stove. This is very quick to prepare. Now, I know in the keto, carrots are not included. You don't have to add the carrots if you don't want to. I only added a very tiny carrot since it was kind of wrinkly, so I wanted to add it in there for a little color. And I would call this a low carb because of the carrot. Otherwise, it's not even a, how do you say, it's not really much carbs because it was so small and skinny. Otherwise, just take it out. You don't have to use it. You can add some cilantro in there. You can add anything you wish. Anything. Any veggies that you love. Just add it. Just put it in there and mix it up and just do it this way. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.